Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Microsoft Excel for free in 2025. There are two easy ways to do this. I'll start with the simplest one, but if that doesn't work for you, I'll show another method too. Let's get started. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and your like is very important for us. First method, Microsoft Store. First, open the search bar on your computer and type Microsoft Store. Click to open it. Now, search for Office 365. You'll see multiple options, but look for the free version of Microsoft 365. Click on it, and you should see an Install button. If you don't have it installed, just click Install, wait for it to download, and then log in with your Microsoft account. That's it. You now have access to Excel and other Office apps. Second method, office.com. If the first method didn't work, don't worry. Here's another way. Open Google and search for Office 365. Click on the official Microsoft website, office.com. Now, log in with your Microsoft account. Once you're on the home screen, click Install Apps. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Microsoft 365 apps. This will download a setup file. Open it, click Yes, and the installation will begin. Once it's installed, go to your computer's search bar, type Excel, and you'll see the app ready to use. You can even use it offline. And that's it. Now you know how to get Microsoft Excel for free in 2025. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next one.